1. He said he'd dash the work by Friday. A. Finishes. B. Will finish. C. Would finish. Two. I dash him for a long time. A. Know. B. Have known. C. Knew. If it dashed tomorrow, we'll cancel the trip. A. Rain. B. Rains. C. Rain. They were tired, dash, working all day. A from, B of, C by. Five. We should avoid dash during meetings. A. Talking. B. Talk. C. To talk. She insisted that he dash honest. A is, B be, C was. Seven. The results dash announced tomorrow. A. Will be. B. Are being. C. Are. The baby dash sleep when I answered. A. Is. B. Was. C. Has been. You should have dashed him earlier. A. Tell. B. Told. C. Telling. Then she's allergic dash nuts. A. 4B with C2. "11. I'm not used to dash so much. A. Drive. B. Driving. C. Drove. "12. Neither the teacher nor the students dash happy. A. Is. B. Are. C. "13. Let him dash his opinion. A. Share. B. To share. C. Shared. "14. We'll go out when the rain dash. A. Stop. B. Will stop. C. Stops. 15. I didn't expect him dash late. A to B, B, C, being. "16. You had better dash now. A. Go. B. Went. C. Going. "17. By the time we arrived, they dash. A. Left. B. Had left. C. Have left. "18. I suggest that she dash the report. A. Completes. B. Complete. C. Completed. "19. If you dashed more careful, he wouldn't have failed. A was, B were, C had been. "20. Would you mind dash the door? A to close, B closing, C close. "21. We objected dash his proposal. A to, B at, C of. "22. He spoke to the class as though he dash in charge. A is, B were, C was. "23. I regret not dash that opportunity. A. Taking. B. Took. C. Take. "24. That's the woman dash car was stolen. A. Whose. B. Whose. C. Whom. "25. I heard someone dash at the door. A. Knocking. B. Knock. C. Knocked. "26. He succeeded dash hard work. A. Because. B. Through. C. "27. I was surprised dash the news. A on, B by, C with. "28. She's one of the players who dash always late. A is, B are, C was. $29. I prefer tea dash coffee, A to B then C, over. $30. Let's wait until he dash. A comes. B will come. C came. $31. He doesn't know the answer. And dash. A, I don't. B, neither do I. C, so do I. That's the best idea I dash heard. A, ever. B, have ever. C, had ever. $33. They had their house dash last week. A, paint. B, painted. C, painting. $34. The meeting dash before I arrived. A, started. B, had started. C, was started. $35. He's not only smart, dash also kind, A, but B and C or. $36. She was accused dash cheating. A, to. B, of. C, for. $37. All of the bread dash gone. A, has. B, have. C, are. $38. The more you read, the dash you learn. A, better. B, more. C, most. $39. I can't help dash when I see puppies. A, laugh. B, laughed. C, laughing. $40. She has been waiting dash 8 a.m. A, for. B, sent C from. 41. I wish you'd dash me earlier. A. Tell, be told, C. Had told. (42) The room needs to be dash. A. Clean. B. Cleaning. C. Cleaned. (43) The police dash investigating the case. A. Is. B. Are. C. Has. (44) She got her car dash last month. A. Servicing. B. Serviced. C. To service. (45) I had him dash the window. A. Fixing. B. Fix C. Fixed. (46) The teacher had us dash quietly. A. To sit. B. Sit. C. (47) I can't afford dash a new phone. A. To buy. B. Buying. C. Buy. (48) The movie made me dash. A. Cry. B. To cry. C. Crying. (49) Neither of the students dash completed the assignment. A. Has. B. Have. C. Is. (50) I'd rather you dash now. A. Go. B. Went. C. Had gone. C.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.